Alright, so I'm working on this 1996 Mazda Miata. It's freshly painted, some body work. Alright guys, so I just finished up. Sorry for the interruption. Dude's scared of bees. This is it. This dude wants all 4 wheel wells done. I'm gonna start with the rears. There is a little bit of Bondo underneath the paint. A little bit right here. And then if you look on this side, I noticed there's a little bit of a, bodywork imperfection right here. So I know there's Bondo right here also. So I gotta watch out for that. So these are the lips that I'm gonna go ahead and roll, and I'm hoping and praying that nothing cracks, but I am not liable if there is Bondo underneath the paint. And since I have pictures and he knows that I'm not liable, pretty much he is going to watch me do the job. This is the passenger side, and you can see, hopefully, that I flushed it up. It is flush as I possibly can get. No compromission over here, but over here there was some imperfections over here. I'll post a picture of what the driver's side looks like that he sent to me prior to actually seeing the car in person. Right here it started bubbling, and this is where it was actually dented in, so I'm assuming that there is rust underneath here. That's why it sort of bubbled up like that, but everything else is flush. But he knew that there was going to be some sort of compromission going on because of the fact that there was body work on this car prior to me rolling it. There's a bunch of bees all around this car right now, so he's way over there. That's what dude's scared of right here. This bee right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move up to the front. I'm gonna do the driver's side first, and I'll do the passenger side and get back to you. Well, you guys, I just finished, and he's about to take off. There it is. He was adjusting his height, but he just got a little frustrated because he realized how hard it was, because this side will be like 16.5 inches, that will be like 17, and you lower that, and then that's lower or higher, and it's just, but I do appreciate it.
I appreciate you, man. Good work, brother.
1996. Guy painted it himself. All right, bro. Be easy. Have a good one.